welcome back to my kitchen and another episode of What's for Dinner. Tonight we have a slow cooker meal that is sure to please. This is creamy Italian chicken. I'm serving it over pasta and with just a vegetable on the side. It's super easy to make. You just throw it all in your crock pot and it's super delicious. I am going to be using my Shirley J products to make this. However, I am going to share with you how you can make this with simple pantry items and pantry stock to make this delicious meal. So let's go see how this all comes together. We're gonna go over all the ingredients for our slow cooker creamy Italian chicken. This is so good, and I made it up one day, and it's similar to one you might see on the internet. I kind of use that, you know, that recipe for ranch chicken. I call it ranch chicken. A lot of people call it cracked chicken. This is kind of in a way similar to that, but it has more Italian-y flavors. And we serve this over pasta and everybody loves it. It's kind of like a pseudo Alfredo, if you will. But it starts off with 2 pounds. I have 3 chicken breasts here. I always freeze my chicken in bags of 3 because I usually, if I'm gonna saute it, I cut it into 6 pieces, and this is enough for my family. When I make a slow cooker meal like this, we will have leftovers for at least a couple of lunches. So there's 2 pounds of chicken breast here, and I'm going to talk about chicken breast in a minute. This is Zacon chicken, and I'm going to tell you guys about a special offer here in a minute, but because if you're new and you've never ordered but you've thought about ordering, this is the time to do it. So 2 pounds of chicken. I'm going to be using my Shirley J Universal sauce, so that's going to require 4 cups of water, 1 cup of Universal sauce mix. This is going to make the equivalent of 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. You can use 2 cans of cream of chicken, or a can of cream of chicken and a can of cream of mushroom. And then you're going to want to use water to go along with that according to the can. So I also have 2 small cans, 4 ounces each, of sliced button mushrooms. You can use fresh and saute them up to you. I have 1 medium onion that I chopped up. I have a cup of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. I have about 4 to 6 cloves of chopped garlic, and that is prepared garlic. And then I've got all of my seasonings here. I've got a tablespoon of Shirley J chicken bouillon, a tablespoon of Shirley J pizza and pasta seasoning. Alternatively, you can use your favorite chicken bouillon and your favorite pizza seasoning. I've also got a teaspoon each of dried parsley, dried basil, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. What makes this creamy and delicious is 2 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese, and I just have that cubed up. So I'm going to clear this off, and we're going to get started building up this creamy Italian crock pot chicken. And then I'm going to tell you about the Zacon thing, because it's too good to pass up if you have never ordered from them before. All right, we're going to start off by building our sauce. Now I'm going to use 4 cups of water and 1 cup of the Shirley J Universal sauce mix. Now that is what is recommended on the can. This is how you mix it up. It's 4 to 1 water to mix. Like I said, you don't have to worry if you don't have this mix. You can still make this dish by using a can of cream of mushroom and a can of cream of chicken and 2 cans of water. So about 2 cups of water. So, and you'll get the same result. So there's my sauce base. Now I'm going to throw in all of my seasonings. Just like that. Give it a good stir. A lot of you guys always ask me what that whisk I'm using is. This is a Rita Handy Stir, and I will leave a link down below where you can find out more information. I can't live without these. This is one of my kitchen tools I absolutely love. And then basically we're just going to drop everything in here. There goes our garlic, our chopped onion, which is optional. You don't have to put that in here. Our mushrooms, which are also optional if you don't like mushrooms. Anytime you see me use something you don't like, you guys, mostly you're free, just leave it out. I mean, you don't want to eat something you don't like. In with our Parmesan cheese. Give that a good stir, just get it all in there. Okay, now we've got all of our sauce mixed up. I'm gonna pop my chicken in there, and that's 2 pounds of the Zacon chicken breast, and you can use whatever chicken breast you like. I'm just saying that because I want to tell you about Zacon. They currently have a deal, and I don't know if you guys follow me over on Facebook, but I always post deals for Zaycon over there because they will notify us. They will let us know we're running a 99-cent deal on chicken, or we're running a really good deal on ground beef or whatever. I will always have the coupon codes for you. If you have never ordered from Zaycon before and you have thought about ordering but have been on the fence, trust me, this is the time to do it. They currently are offering for first-time customers only a promo code that will get you a 40-pound case of boneless, skinless chicken breasts for 99 cents a pound. That's $39.60 for 40 pounds of chicken breasts, which is $36 off their regular retail price. Now, I'm going to leave the details down below in the description box, but you're going to want to use the coupon or promo code MYFIRST40. That's MYFIRST40 at the checkout to receive that price. Like I said, it's for first-time customers only. This offer is going to end at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time on February 17th, 2018, and it can't be combined with any other promotion or promo code per order. You can only use it one time per household. It's not transferable, void where prohibited, and the offer will be revoked if terms and conditions are not met due to partial cancellation order. Offer not valid on previous purchases. Offer subject to change at any time without notice. I just want to make sure you guys all know that. So if you have been on the fence about ordering Zaycon, I hope that you give it a try, because this is a really great time to do it. Chicken is how they got their start. This is the flagship kind of product that they started out with, and I can't say enough about Zaycon. I order from them all the time. They are a tried and true company. They're a small family-owned American business, and I really love what they do. The last thing we have to do here for our creamy Italian chicken is just pop on the cream cheese, and you don't even have to do what I did. See how I cubed it all up? I just feel like it incorporates better. But you can just plop those 2 big old bricks of cream cheese in there. I did that before and it works out just fine. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put this in the crock pot sleeve and we're going to put the lid on it. And I'm going to put mine on high and cook it for 6 hours. There you have it, our delicious creamy Italian chicken right from the slow cooker. This is delicious. Now what I will say is that about 5 hours in, I just took my tongs and I shredded that chicken because it was super, super tender. And you just kind of incorporate that into the sauce. I like a lot of sauce, and so does the family. So you can add more chicken if you like to this recipe. Sometimes I add a package of chicken thighs in with this, and it's nice and meaty, and you make it go even further because you'll have lots of leftovers. But this is nice and creamy, and everyone in this family loves it. You can see the chicken is just really, this is like chicken and dumplings tender, okay? And I just made some angel hair. You can serve this over pasta, rice, mashed potatoes, whatever you like. And it's just a real comfort food meal, and it's super easy to do. And after a long day, you come home and have this ready, and all you have to do is cook up some pasta or whatever starch you want to have with it, and it's going to be great. So, are you ready to taste it?
I have to.
Okay. I love this dish.
It's really good.
It's really delicious. You can really add or take away any of the things that I put in it. Mushrooms, if you don't like certain seasonings, then leave them out. Or if you like others, add them to it. That's as simple as it is. It's really great for a crock pot meal. I love the addition of the cream cheese, because that's what makes this nice creamy sauce, and it's very, very much like an Alfredo. And you really didn't go to a lot of work to make it. So that's how you make my creamy Italian chicken in the slow cooker. I hope you give it a try. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you are new to my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure to welcome new friends. Please make sure and hit that subscribe button. And if you are already a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and go down below and hit the bell notification button. I have been getting people telling me they're not getting notified when I upload a video. That's how that happens. You can choose a push notification or an email or both, and you'll get notified whenever we upload a video, because we don't want any of you to miss out on other real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this creamy Italian chicken in the slow cooker a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.